Congrats on being released. I can only apologise for...
What? Having a lying murderer for a son? Well, he's getting done for manslaughter now, isn't he?
We'll see. Look, I'm not proud of what Romeo did, but I'll do everything I can to get him out of prison. I'm sure your mother would do the same in my shoes.
But I'm not in your shoes, am I, James? Because I ain't a posh lawyer. But we are a normal family, and he's a decent, hard-working boy that you couldn't wait to make a scapegoat out of.
A scapegoat? Sorry.
Don't you dare laugh at my mum. You might think you're getting Romeo off, but he's going to pay for what he did to that psycho Rain, and to me.
Come on. Always a pleasure.
See? If you did come away with me, you won't have to see his mug for months.
Yeah, just let me think about it, yeah? I've got some business I need to take out first.
Come on, son.